I think the C10 is really, it's an iconic truck. It speaks to me. You know, I remember these trucks when I was a little kid, and I think that's the reason I love them. The Fall Guy was one of my favorite TV shows growing up, so it definitely inspired me, and my kids love it, and it kind of fits within our culture here at Power Athlete of you know, having some nice cars, and it's having the pride of ownership, but also having your hands dirty in the process. The truck's a 1977 C10. We slammed it down, we lowered it 6 and 4, did a C-notch so we could actually get enough travel in the rear end, put the fuel cell in the trunk, and then we're running an L92 out of a late model Chevy truck, and put a car intake on it, put a Brian Tooley cam. It's making probably 450, 475 horsepower. Running a 4-speed 4L80E, so it has an overdrive so you can cruise on the highway. And then we did a 373 with a posi in the rear, so that means both wheels light up at the same time, and then ran some NASCAR style tires on it, and then brought the exhaust out the side, and so it's going to be sounding real aggressive with a 3-inch exhaust. So Wade's Army is our 501c3 dedicated to fighting childhood cancer. A little boy named Wade DeBruin lost his fight with neuroblastoma, and a year after he passed away, my wife asked us if there was something we could do to raise some money. So we started running this t-shirt drive, and we've raised you know, $125,000, $150,000, $200,000, really selling t-shirts, getting donations, teams, and the whole deal. And at this Power Athlete Symposium, which is happening here shortly, we have a live auction to benefit Wade's Army. I just wanted to do something that would set us above and really blow people's minds. And having a badass slammed NASCAR big LS truck sitting out there and with the keys in my pocket for people to auction and bid on is the type of thing that not only is within my skill set and within our skill set here at Power Athlete, but I think sets us apart. Everything's earned, nothing's given. I want to earn my stuff. I want to have something in the fight. I want to be involved. I want to build it. I want to know if there's a fuck up, it's my fuck up. I was welding yesterday and my welds didn't come out as good, and unfortunately I got to live with that because some days I kick ass and I'm just not consistent enough. So I got to get better. All these things are just opportunities for me to get better. It's just something I've loved. I just want to make people strong, fast, and some badass fucking power athletes. And I want to have some cool trucks for my guys to drive. And if you guys notice our crew, everybody drives a badass truck, and that's because I wouldn't have it any other way. We got this 1977 C10 wrapped, loaded, LS swapped, and with a ton of horsepower. This bad motherfucker is going up on the block, and I want to see if somebody buys it. So we have the what's in John Welbourn's pocket. Well, the keys to this 1977 C10 are in John Welbourn's pocket. What do you got? You got money? You gonna take it? Get it done.